Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be about how to remove viruses without an antivirus. It's simple and easy. So first, you go on your keyboard and you click Windows logo plus R, and this small tab is gonna show you. In this small tab, you're gonna type over here RT, and you're gonna click OK. It's gonna ask you like, do you allow this to make changes to your device? So just click yes. Sorry if you guys can't see it. Okay, so this page is gonna pop up, another page, and over here just click next. And do you want to do a full scan or quick scan? For now, for me, I'll do quick scan. Click next, and it's gonna scan like your laptop. I'm gonna come back when it's finished. Okay guys, I'm back. This message is gonna show this after you finish. This message is gonna be showing. So this message, that mean you finished what's it called, the test, and everything you need, like all the viruses in your, you don't have viruses in your computer, and if you do, it's already like it's gonna like delete it. So click finish, and thank you guys for watching. That's it. Please hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.